Imagine waking up each morning, knowing you can make an extra $100 every day without leaving your house. What if I told you it's easier than you think, and all you need is a laptop and a bit of determination? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $100 a day online, even if you're starting with no experience. Whether you're looking to pay off bills, save for something special, or build an extra income stream, I've got proven methods that work. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start making money online today. Let's jump right in. If you enjoy creating content, whether it's videos, articles, or tutorials, starting a YouTube channel or blog can be an excellent way to make $100 a day or even more. It takes time to build an audience, find your niche, and create content that resonates with people, and start seeing consistent income. Analyzing your performance and adjusting your strategy is crucial, but the payoff is worth it. The satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off is unmatched. You create content once and it can generate income for months, even years. This is the beauty of passive income. With a YouTube channel, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and even memberships, and selling your own products or services. The opportunities are endless, and with a blog, you've got options like display advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. Each method has its own set of benefits. The key here is consistency. Regular updates keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Treat it like a real business, show up consistently, and stay organized, and provide value to your audience. Responding to feedback helps build a loyal community. There are tons of free resources available online to help you get started. From tutorials to forums, the internet is your best friend. Platforms like YouTube and WordPress have made it incredibly user-friendly to create and manage your content. You don't need to be a tech expert. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel or blog takes time and effort. Patience and persistence are key. Focus on creating high-quality content that stands out, promoting your channel or blog across various platforms, and engaging with your audience. Interaction builds trust and loyalty. Now, let's move on to another exciting way to make money online: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money by promoting products you love. It's a flexible and accessible way to earn an income online. You don't even need a website to start, but having one helps scale your earnings. A blog or a niche website can significantly boost your reach. It's all about partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services to your audience. This partnership can be incredibly rewarding. Essentially, you're acting as a middleman, connecting potential customers with businesses. Your role is crucial in the digital marketing ecosystem. And the best part? You get a commission for every sale you drive through your unique affiliate link. This can add up to a substantial income over time. Affiliate marketing is a legitimate business model that can be incredibly lucrative, especially if you have a strong online presence or a niche audience. Your influence can drive significant sales. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to be authentic and promote products that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity builds trust and credibility. Don't just shill any product that comes your way. Your audience can tell when you're not being genuine. Focus on products or services that align with your values, interests, and the needs of your audience. This alignment ensures that your promotions are well received. The first step is to find affiliate programs that resonate with you. Look for programs that offer products you are passionate about. You can join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, CJ Affiliate, or ShareASale, which offer a wide range of products and services to promote, or reach out directly to companies you love. Building direct relationships can sometimes offer better commission rates and exclusive deals. Once you've joined a few programs, start promoting those products or services to your audience. Use various platforms like blogs, social media, and email marketing. Create valuable content that educates your audience about the product or service and highlights its benefits. Detailed reviews and tutorials can be very effective. Build trust with your audience and position yourself as an authority in your niche. Consistent, high-quality content is key. Remember, transparency is key in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain trust and integrity with your audience. If you want something that requires zero experience and is easy to start, online surveys and Microtasks could be the perfect fit. I'm talking about small tasks like data entry, image tagging, or transcribing audio. You're not going to get rich doing online surveys and microtasks, but it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Plus, you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. One of the biggest advantages is the flexibility they offer. You can work from anywhere, anytime, and for as long or as little as you want. It's perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or anyone looking for a side hustle. There are tons of platforms out there, but some of the most popular ones include Amazon Mechanical Turk, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Prolific. When choosing tasks, prioritize those that offer the best payout for your time. Be efficient with your time, and set a timer for yourself to complete as many tasks as possible. Now let's move on to selling digital products. Digital products are one of the best ways to earn passive income online. They offer a unique opportunity to leverage your skills and knowledge to create something once and sell it repeatedly. Once you create the product, you can sell it over and over again with minimal effort. This means you can focus on other projects or even take a break while still earning money. We're talking about things like ebooks, which can be a great way to share your expertise or tell a story. Online courses, which allow you to teach others what you know, and templates, which can save people time and effort in their own projects. Presets, which can help photographers and designers streamline their work, stock photos, and more. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of digital products is that they're infinitely scalable. You can reach a global audience without worrying about inventory or shipping. You only need to create the product once, and then you can sell it to an unlimited number of customers without incurring any additional production or shipping costs. This makes it a highly efficient business model. Think about your skills, passions, and experiences. What unique knowledge or talent do you have that others might find valuable? What do you know that others might be willing to pay for? This could be anything from technical skills to creative talents. Once you have an idea for your digital product, start creating. Invest time in making it high quality and useful. Focus on providing real value to your audience. The more value you offer, the more likely people are to buy and recommend your product. There are tons of platforms available to help you get your product in front of potential customers. These platforms can handle the technical aspects so you can focus on your content. You can sell your product on your own website, giving you full control over the customer experience. Through online marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market, which already have a built-in audience looking for digital products, or even through social media platforms, where you can reach a large audience quickly and interact with potential customers directly. The key to selling your digital product is to effectively market and promote it to your target audience. Use a mix of strategies to maximize your reach. Now let's talk about online tutoring or teaching. This is another fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn income online. If you enjoy teaching or have a skill you can share, online tutoring is a fantastic way to make $100 a day. With platforms like VIPKid or Wizant, you can tutor students from all over the world. And the best part? You don't need a teaching degree to get started. Many platforms only require a bachelor's degree in any field, and some even accept tutors with specialized skills or experience. The hourly rates for online tutors can vary, but it's not uncommon to earn anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour or more. One of the biggest advantages of online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and choose the subjects or age groups you enjoy teaching the most. Some popular online tutoring platforms include VIPKid and Wizant. To succeed as an online tutor, you need to be patient, organized, and have a passion for teaching. Building a good rapport with your students is crucial. Now let's move on to dropshipping. Dropshipping is another popular online business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. You can make $100 a day or more once you get the ball rolling. It's like being a middleman without the hassle of actually handling any products. You set up an online store and partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles all the inventory and shipping for you. When a customer places an order on your store, you simply forward the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The beauty of dropshipping is that you don't have to invest any money upfront in inventory. This significantly reduces your risk and allows you to test out different products and niches without breaking the bank. Now let's talk about how to get started with dropshipping. The first step is to choose a profitable niche. Once you've identified a niche, you need to find a reliable dropshipping supplier. Once you've found a supplier, you can start building your online store. Marketing is key to success in dropshipping. One of the fastest ways to make $100 a day online is through freelance writing. You don't need to be a professional writer to get started, and there are countless opportunities out there. Businesses are constantly looking for talented writers to create engaging and informative content for their websites, blogs, social media, and more. If you enjoy writing and have a knack for crafting compelling copy, freelance writing could be the perfect side hustle or even full-time career for you. The first step is to identify your niche. There are tons of websites and platforms that connect freelance writers with clients. Some popular options include Upwork, Fiverr, ProBlogger Job Board, and Contently. When applying for freelance writing jobs, it's essential to have a strong portfolio that showcases your writing skills. When setting your rates as a freelance writer, consider factors like your experience, the complexity of the project, the length of the article, and the deadline. To succeed as a freelance writer, you need to be reliable, meet deadlines, and produce high-quality work. Now let's wrap things up. So there you have it, 7 different ways to make $100 a day online. Whether you choose freelance writing, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products, the opportunities are endless. The key is to start today, stay consistent, and find what works best for you. Remember, building a successful online business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing yourself. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Money Mindset for more tips on making money online, and drop a comment below letting us know which method you're going to try first.